Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Vikas Chandra Pedredla. Let's do a reading for the month of March 2021 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs for the sign of Sagittarius. Okay, now I'm drawing the cards. I'm going with your situation. Now with your current path, your alternate path, the psychological basis and karma, your current path, alternate path, psychological basis, karma. Alright guys, now the face up of the cards are done. Let's get into your reading. Coming with the situation, you got Wheel of Fortune, which is fortune, 10 of Drums, which is a major arcana, and 10th card in major arcana, fortune. Next you got Queen of Cups and Princess of Cups. Lot of cup energy in the situation and one major arcana, and this is a beautiful major arcana with the Wheel of Fortune. And cups energy is also always beautiful. You got court cards, Queen and Princess. So a lot of major month. This is definitely a major month. March is absolutely a major month for you. It is major with regards to your emotions, okay, your emotional side of life and emotional side of who you are, and you might be connecting with this feminine energy with the Queen and Princess. And with the Wheel of Fortune also, universe is guiding you, universe is there along with you and turning the wheels towards your favor every single time with regards to emotions and the people who around you, okay. It might be female people and princess, female, different kinds of female people, and the wheels are turning towards that with regards to emotions. If you are a female, then a lot of your emotions will come out in the month of March. You're going to be more emotional. If you're a male, then you might be connecting a lot with females, and the cups energy, the emotions will start coming out in the month of March, and the wheels are turning towards your favor, meaning that universe is there along with you in every direction. This is the situation. Let's get into your current path. Your current path is Knight of Discs, Science and Universe. So you're working slowly, but you're definitely working on to receiving the knowledge and working towards scientific field with the science. and the universe. Okay, understanding the patterns that is coming out every single day and what you have to do. You got Knight of Discs, which is as I said, you're moving slowly with the Knight, especially with finances. You're moving slowly, you're taking your time, you're relaxing whenever you can, and you're noticing rest of the things as well apart from your movement. And every movement you do, you feel like you have to radiate. It should be a strong movement is what I'm saying. Every single move, even though if it is a small step, you want it to be strong and you want it to be radiating. You want to represent the authority, you want to represent the powerfulness and the strength, the powerfulness. You can see with the Science card, it is with regards to finances and getting knowledge with regards to that. Getting knowledge and understanding how things are forming, understanding the link between each and every things, understanding the network, understanding the science behind everything, and the connections is what I'm seeing. The network and connections and the patterns which are repeating, you're noticing that. And also with the universe, you are getting knowledge, a lot of knowledge in the month of March with regards to this, with regards to your work and the things, patterns which are repeating. And it's gonna bring enjoyment, it's gonna bring a little bit of fulfillment as well. You're gonna be a little bit fulfilled and quite satisfied with that amount of knowledge. It will come in every directions, so be open with that. Let's look into your, this is the current path which you are intending to go. Let's look into your alternate path. Okay, this is the alternately what you can do with regards to your current path. You got Queen of Wands, the Lovers, which is major arcana, and the Magus, which is another major arcana. Two major arcanas here. And let's get into Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands is, rather than moving, you have to just sit there and make things work out. Okay, this is the alternate path what you can do. You don't have to move actually. You're moving slowly with the Queen of Discs, Knight of Discs, which is strong movement, even though it is slow. But your alternate path is, you don't have to move at all. Okay, you can just sit like the Queen, not do anything. You can make other people work, because she's a queen. She can guide people the right way, and you can make things happen like that, even without moving. You got the Lovers, which is again connection. You can help people get together. You might be a lawyer also, and you might make marriages happen especially with the Queen of Wands and Lovers coming next to it. This is a good suggestion that you might be a lawyer and you might make marriages happen between two people, and you're working on that. And also you are connecting with the emotional side as well. When you're doing it, you're fiery, you want to do it fast, but you're connecting with the emotional side of things. You're listening to your emotions rather than your passion. Okay, you're listening to the emotions while you're doing it. That's the Lovers coming next to Queen of Wands. You got Magus coming next to Lovers. Again, there is a lot of things happening, and with alternate path, it is telling to do everything at the same time, maintain balance, and you have the ability to maintain balance. Okay, so there is a lot of things which are happening right now with regards to your life. Universe is saying you can do everything, you can work on everything, but and also do that and at the same time maintain balance, because universe knows that you can juggle at the same time, walk in this rope. You have the ability to do everything at the same time, have the balance. You are very natural with that, with the Magus card. So that is your alternate path. Let's look into your psychological basis. You got Death, which is a major arcana. You got Nine of Wands, which is strength, and the Tower, which is another major arcana. Again, two major arcanas here. With the Death and Tower coming in the psychological basis, this month is gonna bring you a lot of transformation. At least the things which are happening in the background subconsciously in your life is actually there are big changes which are happening, a lot of changes, and you are gonna receive the changes. Okay, in the background it's gonna happen, but when you receive the changes is when the transformation starts with the death card. And it happens, death card happens when you have the strength. Only when you have the strength to connect with it strongly, when your frequency is strong, only then you can connect with the sun, and it's going to be a tight connection. So it requires strength. It's going to have a strong signal. Only when you have a strong signal within you to connect, only then you're going to notice, and the transformation starts. Okay, in the background everything is happening, but the transformation when it starts is when you have the strength. But when you connect, no, you're gonna see the turbulence. Okay, you're gonna see the turbulence with the Tower card, and it's gonna be turbulent. This signal is gonna be turbulent, but it is your job to actually again balance, like the Magus card which I just told you with regards to balance. You have to balance. There's going to be other things as well which will be coming. These are the arrows, but again it is same like the Magus card. In this case, with regards to you have to balance it, and I believe strongly that you can do it with the Magus card. It is confirmed you can do it. And even with the situation you got Wheel of Fortune, there is absolutely nothing to worry at all. Okay, you are being guided, you are being protected by the universe, and you have the ability also, you're being blessed, you have the ability to take up the transformation and also have the strength to withstand the turbulence. You have the resistance for it. Let's look into your karma. You got 2 of discs, which is change. You got 3 of wands, which is virtue, and again the second card, major arcana, you got second Roman numerals of major arcana, which is the priestess. Okay, now coming with change. Okay, I think you might be connecting with Leo also, because you're getting change, and next to that you're getting wands energy, which is Leo, and there is a symbol of the sun as well in the virtue card right at the top. Even Leo got change card, which is sun, Leo, they got this card. And coming next to that, you might be connecting with Leo. I just finished with Leo as well, so you can watch Leo reading if you haven't yet. You might get some messages or important information or signs. I think when you connect with Leo person, especially Leo or any fire sign, you will notice that things are upside down, or things are exactly opposite than what you expected. And this is your karma. Okay, it will appear as though it is flipped over. Okay, you can see even when it is flipped over, this is what it is, and you will notice that the reason why I said this is when I was picking up the priestess got flipped. Okay, by not coincidence as usual. And at the same time, if you flip this, it's gonna mirror. Not all cards have it, but this card have it, and I've seen the priestess rotate it like that while I was talking about virtue and strength, virtue and change. So whenever you're connecting with Leo or any fire sign, you're gonna notice that things are upside down, things are not as you expected, and it's gonna appear as though if it is exactly opposite, almost exactly opposite. Okay, it's gonna surprise you as well. It's gonna absolutely surprise you, and I feel like it's gonna take time for you to understand. Okay, because the snake has to swirl around in order to create this figure of the infinity, and for it to connect with the tail, it has to do something, and for that it will take time. So it will take time for you to turn the upside card upside down card as the reversed card as upright, it's going to take time. So you're going to notice the things in all the directions, and you're gonna try to find out. And when you notice the things in all the directions, then slowly you'll understand why it has happened. Okay, but this is what I'm getting, and this will actually open again your knowledge side, and it's going to improve your knowledge. That is also your karma. That's all I have for you, Sagittarius. A beautiful reading. Definitely a lot of emphasis on the emotional side of the life in the month of March. That is the center point. And Queen of Cups coming at the center, that's the same thing, connecting with your emotional side, and also female people to share emotions, and connecting the emotion side with the Queen. And if you're a female, then again with the Queen of Cups coming at the center, if you're female, your emotions will come out, and you're gonna be like a queen for everyone. And also you're gonna bless everyone who comes to you are gonna be blessed with something, is what I'm saying, if you're a female. Okay, and that's all I have for you, Sagittarius. If you want to watch the reading again, feel free to do that to get more messages. And also check with your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter as well. If you like the reading, click the like button. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified anytime I upload any video. Also, you can follow me on social media links to get notified from there as well. As soon as I upload any video, I will update there. So it is very easy for you to access at any time, and to get latest updates in that way. If you want to get a personal reading from me and to access your own energies, you can check out my business card. I do offer services for tarot readings, astrological readings, life coaching and daily readings. These are the price ranges, and you can find my social media links and connect with me there. You can find my phone number as well. And until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for so much support. Thanks for watching. Thank you.